Hi, I'm going to try to show you here what you can do when you have missed some spots. So I got this all finished and I glued the edges back, and then it's such a color difference with the dark green and the weaver's cloth, and I noticed that there were some spots right in here that you could see the weaver's cloth through. So luckily I did that, found it before I attached it to my wood. But I wanted to show you that even though you're at this stage, you can still go back in and fix it. So if you can see this area right here, I'm going to show you, you're going to hold it down with your pinky here on my right hand. You can see I'm sorry, I'm trying to do this by myself and it's resting on a tissue box. So you're going to put pressure on the bottom part with your pinky on your right hand. Then with your left hand, you're going to pull it taut as much as you can. And again, you're pulling from your right hand to your left hand to try to keep the fabric tight. So it's kind of tricky, but it can be done. And then just go in, hold that down, and snip it off. And I have filled up that space. So I hope that helps you to not think that something is completely ruined and hopeless. And you can go ahead and finish yours. Thanks. Happy punching.